Hello everyone, welcome to this new tutorial. I'm Kieran Tutos, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the graphic card, in this case NVIDIA graphic card, for open any application in your computer. Application like Blender, like Cinema 4D, HDRIs, Unreal Engine, any application that you want, we can set up on the NVIDIA graphic card, and it will open it using all the power, all the gigas that the graphic card has. Okay guys, so before we continue, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and activate the notification. So first thing first, what we're gonna do, we're gonna open the GeForce Experience tab. You can open it if you have the link right here on the desktop. You can open it, or you can find it here, GeForce. You just type GeForce Experience and it will open it. You need to make sure that all the drivers of your graphic card are updated. So you just check here, right here, check for updates. In this case, these panels allowed me to download the drivers for the games. If you open this menu right here, you just click right there, and you will see that I have the two options, like check for the game drivers and also for studio drivers, because my graphic card allow me to do that. But a lower version of the NVIDIA graphic cards, like before, I have a 9050M GeForce, and it just allowed me to download the driver for games. But in my case, I have two options, so you just choose the pen of your graphic card and update the driver, right? And then after that, we're gonna go to here to the settings. We're gonna open right here the settings, and we need to activate the experimental features. You activate it. Actually, it comes without activate, and also the in-game overlay. And you can set up these settings in the game overlay. Done. And then we go to performance, and right here you can activate the performance tuning. It will allow you and allow the graphic card to open your games, to open the application that you want, and especially with the games will go really smoothly, and the FPS will go normally without any problem. You can play any game that you want. Then we close right here, then right here, and then right click, and then we're gonna open the NVIDIA control panel here, and then we wait a little bit. It's in Spanish, but no problem, I will guide you. It's the same in English or any language. So we're gonna go to the second tab right here, and right here, this is where we are going to choose the programs that we want to open with the graphic card. So in this case, we're gonna go to the second tab right here, and here by default you're gonna have some programs already in the list. If you don't find the program that you want, you can just add the program right here. Just click and add the program. In this case, I'm going to choose Unreal Engine, so I'm going to select Unreal Engine, and then in this menu right here, you are going to select the second option, that is the high performance NVIDIA processor. So in that way, we are going to use the maximum power. By default, it comes with the first one, the global configuration, but we don't want that. We need the maximum power of the NVIDIA graphic card, so the second one is okay. And then you just apply it. It will take a while for apply the settings, and then you close this, and you can add any program that you want. For example, let me open it once again. You can add like Photoshop, you can add Illustrator, you can add Premiere Pro, After Effects. You can just add it to the list right here. You can see I have a bunch of programs. I have Premiere Pro, Mixamo Painter, After Effects, Blender. So it will work with all the applications that you have in your computer. After of that, you can open here to make sure that it's working. The setup that we just did is working. This tab will show you the programs that are opened with the graphic card. So we're gonna make an example. We're gonna open Unreal Engine, and it will appear here all the programs. Look, Unreal Engine editor. So this tab is showing me that the Unreal Engine is opened with the graphic card. So you can test it and see that the graphic card is working and it's using all the gigas to open the programs. Okay, let's open Blender. So in that way, you can use the maximum power of your graphic card and you can use your programs like faster. You can make renders faster and anything. So right here we can check again the box, and it says Blender. Blender is open with the graphic card, with the GPU. Okay guys, this is all for this tutorial. I hope you can take advantage of this little trick and get the best performance out of your graphic card. Okay, so see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. See you, bye bye, and have a nice day.